Alright, this is an unboxing video or an unbagging video of the Slay Glam box that was for Valentine's Day, I believe, last month. And it came a bit late because there were some delays in the family, and there at the Slay Glam family, they had a death in the family and there was sickness. It seems like we've all been dealing with sickness going around. So let's unbag this and see what delightful things are inside. So this is a $24 bag, and you are guaranteed to have more than what you paid for it. And it's a makeup only bag. So let's see what we got. The first thing out of here is a brush set. Ooh, 5-piece brush set. And it looks really nice. I think I'm going to have to get, a tool to undo these. So we're going to, undo that. If I don't end up ruining the box. They don't want anyone to get into it. Oh, that got ruined. And let's try this side. Right here. My tool is a little bit dull. There we go. How fun. Sweet. Okay. There, and let's see what we got here. We got this fuzzy brush right here. And I think all the brushes are here on the back. So we have a powder brush, precision brush, blush brush, foundation brush, flat shadow brush, and a blender brush. Very nice. Designed in USA, made in China. That's all here. So this must have been the blending brush. It looks really nice. Right there. This is the foundation brush. Okay. So these are the brush sets. I like how it goes from this gold down into this rose gold right here. So pretty. These are nice start out brushes. For anyone who's starting into makeup and would like a brush set, these are very nice. They're very light, plasticky. They would travel well and they would wash well because they're synthetic bristles. So they would maintain their shape. There is some loose hairs coming out a little bit right there. But you know what? It happens. Alright, so that is with this brush set. Very nice. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Alright, I like the packaging. They did it very securely. Oh dear. Hang on. Alright, I'm back. I got some of that. Ooh. They did a good job in preserving everything inside. Let's see if I can get it into it. There, got it. Yay! Alright. Ooh. Oh, this is neat. It's a lip tint. Lip gloss, waterproof. Oh, that's no good to show. Alright, so there's that. Pretty neat. Oh, it comes off right here. undo it here. Let's see here. Oh, wow. Oh, it's an orange. Look at that orange. Huh. How sweet is that? That is one vibrant orange color. Wow. All right. Then here is a lip pencil by Muse lip liner in Cola. Right there. I like that color. I like that color a lot. Okay. So we have to undo the packaging. Undo the packaging. There you go. And then we have this. It has like a flat tip to it. See that? Pretty interesting. Let's see here. Ooh. That's nice. I don't know how that color will match that color. Not exactly an orange, is it? But we will make it work somehow. And then they have another lip liner. Perfect liner in Pearl Pink. I think you can see that right there. Okay. So we're going to undo this one. That orange lip tint, I'm not sure how that's going to work with a red liner or like a mauvey pink liner. That would be a very interesting combination. Very interesting. Ooh, that might do it. Let's see. Oh, it's like a Barbie pink, but it's very pearly. Very pearly. Huh. I wonder how that would work. It's very creamy. Sharpenable. Very nice. I like that. That has dried down. Took a little bit on the finger right there, but not bad. But I just don't know how I will work those two out. We'll see. All right. Ooh, here it is. My stickers are coming off. I did a quick salvage on my nails. Just not sure. Okay, here is the Lotus Love palette by Be Bella Cosmetics right there. Here's the back with the ingredients. Pressed pigment ingredients. Okay, so this is a pressed pigment palette. External use only, discontinuous signs of irritation occurs. A 24-month right there. Cruelty free. Okay. Made in China down here with that. A lot of them. We'll see. Ooh. That is really sweet packaging. Look at that. On the back. Alright, let's see what's inside. Ooh. Oh, it has a mirror. Hello. And we'll just put that over the top so it's not so distracting. Oh, those colors are amazing. Look at that. Alright, we'll swatch some. Which one shall we choose to swatch? I'm attracted to that one. And this purple. Ooh. Try that one. Look at that. Alright, we'll try this one. Alright. That looks good. Okay, we'll go right here. There's that purple. There's that right there. That's pastels, and then there's that pink. Ooh. That looks actually really nice. Alright, let's see what other ones we're gonna do here. Let's go for this red and that one. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. Very champagne-y color. Ooh. And these two greens. Look at that. Alright, we'll go for that one. Okay. We'll go here. Ooh, that green isn't not too bad. Okay. Nice. Ooh, that's very, very vibrant. Wow. Yeah, I can see where that just might... Oh, that might turn into a blush. If you're not... Wow. Not too bad. That looks great. I broke out my wipes. Because we have another palette. So, we'll look up the value of the palettes and see what we got. Let's see if that comes off. Ooh, that lip stain. I might be wearing that on my hand for a little bit. That lip stain. Yep. Okay. Very, very colorful. An orange lip stain. We'll see how that goes. It definitely... Oh, wow. Really going through it. Nope, not coming off. That lip stain is going to be a lip stain for sure. Fun stuff. Alright, that's great. Alright, I want to try that green. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. That's amazing. That's a very nice palette. Very nice. Oh, I like it. I like the palette. Alright. We'll see what kind of looks we can create with that. Having that right there. Ooh, that's pretty. And then this one came roses. As you can tell, you know, roses. Me. So, let's try this. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Is this also this is the ingredients. 24 months. Be Bella Cosmetics. Cruelty free. Discontinued irritation occurs. Eyeshadow. Fantasy. Rosation. Daring. Those are the eyeshadows there. Pressed pigment right here. There it is. Pressed pigments are divine, ballerina, attraction, try me, romance, guilty, pleasure, lust, and beauty. So we have 1, 2, 3. Let's see. What do we got here? Has a mirror. Very pretty. Oh, it's so pretty inside. Very, very pretty. Oh, and we have a glitter. That is awesome. Pressed glitter. My Amour. So it looks like these very vibrant colors here would possibly be the pressed pigments, I think. Try me. Let's see here. Pressed pigments. Right here would have been... Let's see here. Where does it say it? There's so many. I lost it. Pressed pigments. Alright. Ballerina. That would be... Ballerina is the purple. Okay. Attraction. Right here. Try me. Right here's a pressed pigment. Magnesium saturate. Magnesium. What? Oh, sorry. Guilty. Guilty down here. That's a pressed pigment. So these right here, pressed pigments right here. Eyeshadow Fantasy. Rosia Daring. These ones right here, they're fine. The glitter is here and here. These are the pressed glitters. daring. So we got pressed pigments, we got eyeshadow, and we got some glitters. I want to try this glitter. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my. Oh. Whoa. Now there are some severe chunks in there. So you might want to use a glitter glue to make sure that this one is a hexagonal shape type of glitter. I'm not, see that? I'm not sure if you can pick that up, but it has like a little bit of a hexagon to it. That may not want to be near your eyes because those are very chunky glitters. That would probably be a cheek or the outer side of your eye, but not near your eye, because those do not look like cosmetic glitters. I could be wrong, but cosmetic glitter, this is a very fine glitter. These fine ones would have been fine, but these ones have sharp edges. These ones right here. So as you can see, I'm not sure if that would pick it up on the camera, but that is very hexagonal. This one, I'm sure, would be better on the eyelid. So you're gonna have some fallout with that one, but still very pretty. The pan seems a little bit loose, but that's okay. Let's try this one right here. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. And for size, we'll try that one. Oh yeah. Okay. Ooh, that seems amazing. Very, very nice. Let's see what kind of looks we can come up with this. I like how it has this, yeah, my fingers are stained. What I did find out is, what I found out through another YouTuber is calamine lotion. If you put this on your eyes before your eyeshadow, it will not stain your eyelids. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see that glitter hexagon shaped. So yeah, but anyway, these are actually really nice. Let's try this one. Okay, I have glitter on me from all of that. That's a lot of glitter on my hands, which I'm very happy about. I love glitter. I love glitter. If you're not super into glitter, these palettes may not be quite up your alley, and I can understand that. Yeah. Ooh, that left behind those little flecks of glitter when I wiped it. Okay, that's fine. That could be a problem for my eyes. I do have sensitive eyes, and I really don't want, it would be more like a body glitter, I'm thinking, with these. There you go. Ah, they won't come off. This is going to be a very glittery palette. Very glittery. Alright. So that's what we got in this $24 palette. Right here we got Shades of Roses palette, Lotus Love, 2 of these pens, the lip tint, and these brushes. Alright, I will see you again soon.